Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering on the switch and confirming battery level. This prevents interruptions. Once done, return to the home menu and open system settings. Make sure the game is not suspended. Hold home and close it, or press X to quit. Now navigate to data management. This is where stored data and software removals are handled. You want to act now so files are stable. Skipping these setup checks can cause partial deletions or require redownloads later. Once inside data management, select Manage Software to view installed titles. Scroll to the game you want and press it to open its options. Choose Delete Software. The system will show file size and ask for confirmation. You do this because software removal frees storage while preserving save files by default. Make sure to note any downloadable content tied to that game, because DLC may remain or require separate removal. After confirming, the switch will remove application files. This usually takes seconds to a minute. After deletion, verify freed space in data management to ensure the app is gone. If you want a clean slate, go to Save Data Management and delete saves. Note this cannot be undone. If the console refuses to delete, restart the switch and try again. A reboot clears temporary locks. Make sure parental controls are not restricting deletions. Adjust settings or enter the PIN. If problems persist, try updating system firmware before retrying, because outdated software can obstruct file operations.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.